Minecraft players on Xbox One often get frustrated trying to change armor stand poses. It seems simple, but the mechanics can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar. And don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step through the process. Firstly, gather the necessary materials. You'll need an armor stand and a few blocks of stone or wood to position everything correctly. Make sure you have plenty of space to work your Minecraft magic. And trust me, space is critical here. So I have made it begin by placing your armor stand in the desired location. Take your time finding the perfect spot. You don't want to move it later. Once placed, check the aesthetics. Minecraft is all about creativity and symmetry, after all. Next, make sure you're equipped with a stick or any other tool available. On Xbox One, the tools that work best are those you can build or gather easily. This readiness ensures your process remains smooth. I repeat, preparation is key. Now for the main event, changing the pose. Walk up to your armor stand with the stick in hand. Look directly at the stand to ensure you're properly targeted, and don't hold any other items while doing this. Also, distractions can derail your progress. Once you're in position, click the LT button on your Xbox controller. This action will cycle through the various poses available for the armor stand. Each click changes the pose, and there are about 13 different options. Yes, I counted. Here's a pro tip. Find a pose that not only fits aesthetically, but also enhances the area's theme. A knight pose for medieval builds or a welcoming stance for village squares can dramatically improve your build's vibe. Creativity is everything. And now that you've selected a pose, step back and inspect your handiwork. Sometimes the pose looks perfect up close, but odd from a distance. Don't be afraid to make adjustments. It's the small tweaky bits that often make the biggest difference. And having completed these steps, you've successfully changed an armor stand pose on Minecraft Xbox One. Notice how easy it becomes once you master the method. It's not just about knowing what buttons to push, it's about the sequence and finesse. Troubleshooting is vital. If something seems off, repeat the steps slowly. Often a missed click or wrong tool can, throw the whole process off. Patience and experimentation win in Minecraft, just like many things in life. Lastly, share your newfound skill with friends or other Minecraft enthusiasts. Nothing beats the satisfaction of mastering a game mechanic and then using it to help others. Games are best enjoyed together, and Minecraft is no exception. Remember, Minecraft is about exploration and self-expression. Changing an armor stand's pose is just one part of the larger tapestry you can create. So now go back into your blocky world and craft something truly spectacular.